In ancient Silk Road, inclusivity facilitated the exchange of arts, religions, and cultures among countries. It cemented the Silk Road as not only a key global trade route, but also a place where cultural diversity flourished. In northern China's Shanxi province, a prominent terracotta figurine at a local museum depicts a nomadic traveler, seated on a camel while chewing on a pancake. The pancake, known as naan, is thought to have originated from the western regions of China, but eventually found its way to the country's central plains. This figurine shows the assimilation of culture and traditions brought by merchants from distant lands into the lives of the local people, becoming an integral part of the Chinese culture. Moreover, various religions have coexisted peacefully with Chinese beliefs over the course of the nation's history. When Buddhism was introduced to China, it gradually merged with Chinese Confucianism and Taoism, forming a harmonious blend that influenced the Chinese society. The abundance of religious beliefs in China can be attributed to the inclusiveness and openness fostered by its people. Today, many traditions from Chinese minority groups are also experiencing a revival. From the Mashrab event of the Uyghur people to the Mongolian kume and Miao embroidery, a number of age-old traditions are now recognized as intangible cultural heritages, breathing new life into these national treasures. 23 national culture conservations have been set up to protect historical treasures, and over 90,000 inheritors spanning various levels are continuing these time-honored traditions.